Are you looking for the best 3D printers for architects? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 3D printers for architects on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. QIDI Max 3 3D Printer. The QIDI Max 3 3D printer is a high-performance FDM machine designed for professionals and enthusiasts seeking speed, precision, and versatility. It features an impressive maximum print speed of 600 mm per second using a Core XY motion system that enhances motion efficiency and reduces inertia. With a large build volume of 12.8 by 12.8 by 12.4 inches, it accommodates sizable projects, making it ideal for industrial applications and rapid prototyping. The printer includes a heated chamber capable of reaching 65 degrees Celsius, ensuring optimal adhesion and minimizing warping, particularly with materials like ABS. Equipped with a high-flow dual extruder and both copper alloy and hardened steel nozzles, the Max 3 supports a wide range of standard and abrasive filaments. Additionally, automatic bed leveling ensures consistent first-layer adhesion and reduces setup time, while its robust construction and advanced features make the QIDI Max 3 a reliable choice for high-speed, high-quality 3D printing. Number 2. Dremel Digilab 3D20. The Dremel Digilab 3D20 is a user-friendly 3D printer designed for hobbyists and tinkerers seeking a straightforward introduction to 3D printing. With a build volume of 230 by 150 by 140 mm, 9.06 by 5.91 by 5.51 inches, it offers ample space for various projects. The printer features a single extruder with a maximum extruder temperature of 230 degrees Celsius, supporting materials like PLA and Eco-ABS. Its layer resolution is as fine as 100 microns, ensuring detailed prints. The fully enclosed design maintains a stable build environment, enhancing print quality and safety. A full-color touchscreen provides intuitive control, and the removable build platform simplifies print removal. The onboard software allows for standalone operation, eliminating the need for a connected computer during printing. Additionally, the printer includes preloaded models to kickstart your printing experience. While some users have noted that the print quality may not match higher-end models, the Dremel 3D20 is praised for its ease of use and reliability, making it a solid choice for those new to 3D printing. Number 3. Dremel 3D45. The Dremel Digilab 3D45 is an advanced 3D printer designed for professionals, educators, and serious hobbyists seeking high-quality, reliable, and user-friendly 3D printing capabilities. It boasts a build volume of 10 by 6.0 by 6.7 inches, 254 by 152 by 170 mm, accommodating a wide range of projects. The printer supports multiple filament types, including PLA, PETG, Eco-ABS, and nylon, and features a heated build plate that reaches up to 100 degrees Celsius, ensuring optimal adhesion and reducing warping. Its direct drive all-metal extruder can reach temperatures up to 280 degrees Celsius, allowing for the use of various materials and ensuring smooth extrusion. Number 4. KT-PR0051NA TAZ 3D Printer. The Lulzbot TAZ Workhorse 3D Printer, KT-PR0051NA, is a robust and versatile desktop 3D printer designed for professionals and enthusiasts seeking reliable performance and high-quality prints. It offers a generous build volume of 280 by 280 by 285 mm, 11.02 by 11.02 by 11.22 inches, and a layer resolution range of 50 to 400 microns, allowing for detailed and precise prints. Equipped with an E3D Titan Aero hot end capable of reaching 290 degrees Celsius, it supports a wide range of filament types, including PLA, ABS, nylon, and PETG. The modular borosilicate glass (PEI) print bed heats up to 120 degrees Celsius for strong adhesion and easy part removal, while automatic Z-axis and backlash compensation ensure consistent print quality. With a maximum travel speed of 300 mm per second, a user-friendly interface, and flexible connectivity via USB or SD card, the TAZ Workhorse emphasizes ease of use and versatility. The printer comes with essential accessories, including a 0.5mm HS tool head, 8GB SD card, filament feed tube, and a toolkit, making it ready for immediate setup. Overall, the Lulzbot TAZ workhorse combines high-speed performance, material flexibility, and reliability, making it an excellent choice for professional and advanced hobbyist 3D printing. Number 5. ELEGOO MAZ 5 Ultra Resin 3D Printer. The ELEGOO MAZ 5 Ultra is a cutting-edge 3D resin printer designed for enthusiasts and professionals seeking high-speed, high-resolution printing. Equipped with a 7-inch monochrome LCD boasting a 9K resolution, 8520 by 4320, and an 18 micrometers XY resolution, it delivers exceptional detail and clarity in prints. The printer features a maximum printing speed of 150 mm per hour, facilitated by its innovative tilt-release mechanism that reduces suction forces during layer separation, enhancing print efficiency and quality. The MAZ 5 Ultra incorporates smart automatic leveling and intelligent detection systems, including resin shortage alerts and mechanical sensor feedback, ensuring reliable and uninterrupted printing. Its Wi-Fi connectivity allows for convenient file transfers and remote monitoring, while the 4-inch capacitive touchscreen provides an intuitive user interface. The printer's robust metal frame ensures durability, and its compact design makes it suitable for various workspace environments.